Hello coders, welcome to my video. In this video, I will be telling you about the basics, very short intro about the pointers. So pointers are defined by like we have int star ptr is equal to null. Okay, so here the pointer starts with a data type. So here we have the data type as int. Okay, it can be character, it can be user-defined data types like we have structures, pointers, and other things. Okay, and here we have the name of that pointer. This can be anything. Okay, depending on the type and the naming convention. And if we are using this strict, so it will be a pointer. If we are not using this, for example, if we are using int ptr, then it will be a integer, not a pointer. Okay, so what is a pointer? A pointer is a you know variable that points to certain memory location. Okay, it stores the address of any variable. Okay, so if I have an integer like int a is equal to 10, then and this pointers, if want to point to this memory, then what I will do, I will do ptr is equal to address of a. Okay, so pointer always stores the address. Okay, so how to visualize this in memory concept is, for example, I'll create a block diagram. Okay, so here is the memory footprint. Okay, so here I have multiple memory slots. I want to make it very simple. Okay. So here there is a memory called A. Okay. And it is at address 0 cross 7 FF1. And the value of this memory that is labeled as A is, I can say 10. Okay. So what is a pointer? Pointer also have some memory. By default, in 64-bit system, this pointer have 8 bytes, and in 32-bit, this pointer have 4 bytes of memory. So pointer, for example, the name of the pointer, this address is PTR. Okay, so PTR contain the address. It don't contain the value directly. Okay, so here what we have in this address in this block is address of A that we mentioned here. Okay, so address of A is 0 cross 7 FF1. This is the address of A. Okay, so this pointer actually points to A, so that have the value 10. Okay, so by using this, you can say, okay, yeah, this pointer is pointing to this A, and that have the value 10. So this pointer always contain the address. So if we want to get the value of A, that is 10, from this pointer, what I have to do? I have to do one thing. Like I have to print star PTR. This will give you a value that is 10. Okay. So what this strict says is you go to the pointer, get the address, and print the value that is 10 over here. Okay. So if you printf this star PTR, you will get 10. So let's validate what we have studied in slide. So same thing will take a is equal to 10. Okay, then I will take int star of ptr is equal to address of a. Okay, and then I'll take the printf. What I will do here, I'll print the address of a, uh, address of a is equal to percentage t, comma, and value of a is equal to percentage t. Okay, so here I'll take address of a, comma, then we have a. Okay, that is a value of a. The same thing I'll do for p as well. So here value for address, I think ptr is enough for this because it's already a pointer, and value I'll take star ptr. Okay, to get the value. So let's have a look what will be the output. So I'll take gcc hyphen o intro and intro pointer and star intro. Okay, so what we see here. Okay, I think I misprinted something. The address of P is there, not A, and value of star TR here. Okay, so I'll save it again. I'll compile it, and once I run it, what I will get here is address of A. Okay, if you see here, the address of A is same as the address of P. What is there in the P? Okay, that we studied. And star PTR will give you a value 10 that is equivalent to a value. So here, if we want to get the address of the P variable, it's not what is the address within the P memory, then we can do one more thing. I think we can do address of here as well. So if I do comma PTR address, it would be different. Okay, so here I will take address of P is equal to P, comma. Okay, so see if both are different. Okay, so this value is different, this is same. So the value content of P memory is here, the address is here, and the value is here. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is all about the intro of Pointer. Let's see in the next video. Thanks.